Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing our second symbol, and today it's going to be a symbol of love. So let's get started. To draw this symbol, let's start by drawing a heart. So I'm going to come right here and give myself a point, and this is going to be the center of my heart. And from here, I'm just going to go right up. And I'm going to come to the other side and draw the same thing on the other side. So don't worry if your heart is not perfect, it won't be. We just want to have both sides approximately the same. So about right there. So I'm using these points. Okay, so approximately right there, and let's draw one side first so the other side is a little bit easier to see. So I'm going to go around, and the shape of your heart doesn't matter, meaning fat or skinny, tall or short, it's all up to you. So I'm just going to bring this around. And the most important thing is I'm going to use this point right here in the center, and we're going to drag it straight down. So say about, I want my heart about that tall. Just bring a point down right here. And I'm going to use that to finish this curve. Just makes it a little bit easier to see. So I know that's my center. Okay, so now to draw the other side, I'm just going to start to go around, have my top. So let's just step back, and one side might be a little bit fatter or skinnier. It's okay. Okay, so now we've gone around that part, let's bring it down to here. So now we have somewhere to aim for. Makes it a little bit easier. So we're going to aim back down to there. Okay, something like that. So now that the base is done with this heart, let's go ahead and draw the hands that are hugging this heart. I'm going to come to this side right here. So there's two hands, top and bottom. So I'll come about right here, and I'm just going to be basically drawing a curve that comes across. So just start. I'm just going to draw a curve. And in this area, I'm going to start to draw the hand. So I'm using a Sharpie, and so I can't erase like I would be using a pencil, but I had to use a Sharpie to show you because it's easier for you to see. But I'm definitely going to be erasing this part out. So if you're using a pencil, make sure to draw the whole heart first and then just go in and erase it. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and draw a hand. So it's just a simplified hand. Let's just come out with a thumb. And then now the fingers. So 1, 2, just a very simple hand. 3. Okay, and then it's just going to go right back. So I'm just going to come about right here. It's easier on my hand, and I'm just going to draw a curve. This is a very cartoonish hand. Okay, so I got one arm in. Now the other arm. So it's going to be right under it. So say about right here. And I'm going to do the same thing, but going the other way. So about right there, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to start to draw my hand. So we want our hands approximately the same size. So thumb, and then fingers. 2, 3, 4, and bring it in. And once again, just go ahead and curve it. There. And we're done. It's that simple. And so then I'm going to come in here with my whiteout pen, and I'm going to white this part out. Just so when I color it, it's easier for you to see what's going on. And this part right here. So this definitely could be a symbol for almost anything, right? To love yourself, to love somebody, friendship, anything, right? But just remember, I hope this heart right here with the hands hugging inspires you to definitely love yourself most of all. Okay, there. Now we have the hands in. So then we're basically done. Let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love how the symbol of love turned out and it inspires you to draw it for yourself or someone that you love today. Make sure to keep a lookout for all my other symbols coming this week. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.